Don't get scammed. There are many scammers with various scams, all with the goal of taking your hard-earned money. Hi, my name's Adam. I've been in the IT industry for a long time, and unfortunately, I've had to recover information and people's systems after they've been scammed, and I've heard too many stories. So I want to get information out there because this is your best defense against scammers is your knowledge, right? Because you can get scammed so many ways, but if you are a bit more aware of what scams they run and how they work, perhaps when a scammer contacts you, you'll know about it and you'll be able to stop them in their tracks. When I think about scammers, it reminds me of criminals waiting around a dark corner in an alleyway to take someone's money and rob them blind. The difference is, these days, you can be safe in your home with your family and still get scammed and still get taken for all of your hard-earned money. They might say that they're from a virus company. Oh, like your computer has a virus issue or a networking issue. Great. If it has a problem, okay, well, yeah, maybe they're here to fix. But let's just check that first. Okay? If they're telling you that your computer has an issue, well, do you have a computer? Let's start with that. If you have a computer, tell them that you've got two computers and to sort of verify which one has got the problem. Like, can they tell you a computer name? Can they tell you the name of the program that they've used to monitor your system? If they say that they're from Microsoft and they're monitoring your system, scam. No, Microsoft does not do that, to my knowledge, and they're not going to be interested in your computer or computers. Also, if your computer is off, they're not going to be able to tell whether it actually has an issue or not. So if they're saying it's got an issue and your computer is off, again, scam. Hang up. Don't worry about it. Check the details. If it's a legitimate company and they're saying that their program is on your computer and it has detected issues or your computer has issues, then get the name of the computer or the name of the program that they're using that is reporting this issue, and they should be able to provide you your computer's name or at least the program license that was used with the program that you can verify.